All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Basta! Balulan Beach down on the inside, Regal Stride. Winning Habit is racing import by Drell. Then comes Classic Bell, Wolf Run, and Elgin. Regal Strides now the leader. Balulan Beach, Classic Bell, Basta is racing import. Winning Habit is racing improved by Sam Tulengs. Then comes Wolf Run and Elgin. It's the Regal Stride by the Classic Bell. Alongside is Balulan Beach. Basta is racing import. Then comes Winning Habit. And on the outside, there's some problem for entry number 2, Regal Stride. It's now Balulan Beach followed by Classic Bell. Winning Habit getting closer on the outside, taking the second spot. Wolf Run from the outside. Basta as the action swing towards the long. Nice stretch run with Balulan Beach. Winning Habit is on the outside. Wolf Run entering the last 200 meters more to run. It's still Balulan Beach, and Winning Habit is on the outside, but still Balulan Beach. Winning Habit entering the finish line. Balulan Beach, Winning Habit, Elgin, Wolf Run, Basta. Pentavecta.
Di ba? May basta.
Oo.